Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on your Windows 10. So let's get started. What's a VirtualBox? You may have come across the terms virtualization software, a virtual machine, or a hypervisor. Basically, what a VirtualBox does is that it allows installation of a different kind of operating system, which we refer to as a guest, to run on your operating system, which we refer to as the host or native operating system. Or a host or native operating system, this is the operating system that is pre-installed on your computer. So there are various reasons why somebody can decide to install a virtual machine. Some of them may include the need to access a software that is not available on your host operating system. Some guys can decide to have access to multiple operating systems simultaneously. And also, this can also be brought by the curiosity of trying a new operating system and you don't want to partition your machine. So let's get started on installation of the VirtualBox. So you go to your browser. So I'm using Google Chrome and search for VirtualBox. So you get it will be the first one that will show here, the VirtualBox ORG, this official Oracle VirtualBox page. So this is the official Oracle VirtualBox welcome page. So as you can see here, VirtualBox is at version 6.1. So go straight to downloads. So you can see here, VirtualBox has several packages. So you download the package that is favorable to your host operating system. So you have Windows hosts, OS X hosts, you have Linux distributions. These may include the Solaris hosts, all the versions of Linux. So for me, I'm using Windows 10, so I'll just click on the Windows 10 hosts. For the download, so as you can see, it's a 101.65 MB. So you'll have to download it. So just download it to where you want it, your download location. So for me, let me put it on my desktop. Let me put it on my desktop. Let me create a folder. Yeah, call it VirtualBox. Open it and save there and start downloading. So you're downloading the VirtualBox executable file for Windows, of course, Windows 10. So now our VirtualBox executable file has downloaded. So now you'll have to go to your download location, storage. So I did put it on my desktop. So it's here, VirtualBox. So this is the VirtualBox executable file for Windows. So now I need to install it. So you double click on it. It's preparing to install. So this is the welcome wizard, setup wizard. So we just click on next. So we'll leave everything as it is, the custom setup, unless you know what you're doing. So you click next. So these are the boxes. The first one is to create start menu entries, create a shortcut on the desktop, create a shortcut, the quick launch bar, register file associations. So I'll just use the basics, the custom ones. So you click next. So you'll have a warning here, a network interface, saying that installing the Oracle VM Virtual 6.16 networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed installation. Yeah, you say yes. Then now you will install it. Should I take some minutes? So you'll get this user account control warning that will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So say yes. So it's now installing, copying new files. So you get another Windows security warning or notification that will ask you if you would like to install the device software. So say install. So as you can see here, we have our VirtualBox shortcut here. So let's wait it to finish. So now you finished installing your VirtualBox. So this, you now already have a virtual machine. So as you can open it, sorry. So this is the VirtualBox. Let me close this one. This is the VirtualBox window. Yeah. So you can see this one is it's just fresh. So you can add a new operating system that you want. Yeah. So on my next video, I'll show you on how to install one of the most wanted operating systems that people want to install on Windows as a guest. That is Linux. Yeah, thank you for watching. So hit the subscribe button and like, and you can also leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you.